In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to tap on display and brightness. Then you need to hit text size and weight, and operate this slider under text size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!